I'm diving deep to debunk some crazy health insurance myths that might be costing you a ton of money. Let's see if I can set the record straight. When it comes to health insurance, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around that can end up costing you big time. That's why it's essential to separate fact from fiction and get to the bottom of these myths. By doing so, you'll be able to make more informed decisions about your coverage and, ultimately, save yourself some serious cash. One of the most common health insurance myths is that you're too young to need coverage. Many people think that because they're young and healthy, they don't need health insurance. But the reality is that accidents can happen to anyone at any time, regardless of age or health status. Another myth is that health insurance is too expensive. While it's true that premiums can be high, the cost of not having insurance can be even higher. For example, a single trip to the emergency room can set you back thousands of dollars. Then there's the myth that your employer will always offer you good coverage. Unfortunately, this isn't always the case, and it's crucial to carefully review your options to ensure you're getting the best deal. Finally, some people believe that health insurance only covers major medical events, like hospital stays. However, many plans also cover routine care, like doctor's visits and prescriptions. One myth that really gets under my skin is that health insurance companies are always trying to rip you off. While it's true that insurance companies are in business to make money, they're also subject to strict regulations to ensure they're treating customers fairly. For example, the Affordable Care Act prohibits insurers from denying coverage based on pre-existing conditions or charging more based on gender. Another myth is that if you have a pre-existing condition, you won't be able to get coverage. However, insurance companies are required to cover everyone, regardless of their health status, and they can't charge more based on your health. Similarly, some people think that once you reach a certain age, you'll no longer be eligible for coverage. But the truth is that you can get health insurance at any age, and many states offer special programs for seniors. The most shocking myth, in my opinion, is that your insurance company is always looking out for your best interests. Unfortunately, this just isn't true. Insurance companies are in business to make money, and that means they may not always have your best interests at heart. For example, they may try to deny claims or offer you less coverage than you need. This is why it's crucial to carefully review your policy and ask questions before signing on the dotted line. Another aspect of this myth is that your doctor is always right when it comes to what's covered by your insurance. However, doctors may not always know what's covered under your specific plan, so it's essential to do your own research and confirm what's covered before undergoing any treatment. Similarly, some people think that their insurance company will always pay out claims quickly and easily. But the reality is that disputes can arise, and it may take some time and effort to get your claim paid. In conclusion, it's essential to be aware of these common health insurance myths that can end up costing you money. By doing your research and staying informed, you'll be able to make better decisions about your coverage and avoid financial pitfalls. Remember, knowledge is power, so take the time to educate yourself and take control of your health insurance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own experiences or questions about health insurance. If you're looking for more financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency LLC YouTube channel or www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or 224-433-5754.